Okay, 2003 Nissan Exterra comes in with a no start condition. We do have spark, we are getting fuel, but it will not start, and everything seems to be in time. So it seems to be a fairly common issue, one that I've run into on more than one occasion, is this. This is the screw going to the distributor rotor that tends to come out, usually falling somewhere in the top of the distributor, and it allows the rotor to turn independently of the distributor. What that will usually give you is spark, but not a timed spark. So always double check and make sure that your screw should be going right through here and through the backside of your rotor to make sure you are getting proper spark and timed spark. Thank you for watching.